Welcome back. And remember how I said that I was going to draw more Mega Evolved Pokemon? Well, today I'm going to show you how to draw Mega Lucario. If you must know, Mega Lucario is one of the many Pokemon that can Mega Evolve, along with Garchomp and Blaziken, which I'll be doing real soon. And let's see. To draw him, you must start with his head. And if you must know, this is what Mega Lucario's ears are supposed to look like. Okay, so next up, okay, so there's his head. Next up, you just gotta draw the bandages. These appendages here, those are his hair, and his other thingy here. Next up, you just gotta draw his robe. Here's his arm. Here's his paw. Okay, so next up, you just gotta draw his other arm here. And before I get to that, I'm gonna show you guys how to draw his ears here. Okay, so when coloring him in, these parts of his body are red, and And done here. And done. And here we go. And done. And let me just draw his other paw here. Let me just... And done. That's how you draw Mega Lucario. Sorry if I didn't have the chance to draw the feet. And oh my god, I forgot to fill this in. And done. So anyways, I hope you guys like this video. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. And next time, I'll be drawing you guys a mythical Pokemon. You're not gonna guess who it is.